We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing and often mispronounced expressions from Latin, so make sure to stay tuned for those. This is a phrase from Latin indeed that means do what you are doing, so stick to what you're doing. How do you say it in Latin? It is said as age quod agis. Age quod agis, do what you're doing. In English, it is pronounced essentially the same way. Sometimes Latin pronunciation and English pronunciations differ, but not here. You don't say age quod agis, but still stick to age quod agis. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting expressions from Latin whose pronunciations aren't obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.